Quality, cleverness, speed and savings. These are the features that make this system stand out. The CIS typology, System for the Inventory of Chips, RFID PJM, represents a real revolution. It is a smart system endowed with several elements able to interact with each other. Abbiati Casino Equipment holds the license for this device, designed to link up several practical casino systems and applications. Patented in 84 countries, in a short period of time it has stirred the interest of operators and players who have recognized its usefulness. The starting point is the RFID betting chip. The betting chip is reborn and takes on a new form. The beating heart is an advanced microchip embedded inside the chip. Its exterior is not different from other traditional betting chips, but inside it contains all the features that make it possible to identify it at all times from a general monitoring system. A real DNA that makes it possible for casinos to conduct real-time monitoring. Instant confirmation, knowledge of the position and trajectory throughout the chip's existence. From the time the betting rooms are opened, we can virtually follow the daily path of the RFID microchip chips. The embedded microchip makes it possible to continuously keep an eye on the chips, from the vault to the cashier. At the start of the day, an inventory is taken of the chips. Then they are taken out of the vault, checked and handed over to the person in charge of the betting area's cash desk, who carries out a first check and automatic count of the chips. Thereafter, the chips are divided up and given to the inspectors in the appropriate quantities, so that these can reach the specific RFID playing tables equipped with tracking antennae. The first table with an RFID device introduced to the public was the blackjack table. It was a resounding success from the time it first appeared in gambling centers. The enthusiasm generated by this innovative and brilliant system encouraged Abbiati's research department to conduct new studies and find applications for poker tables as well. No more errors and maximum playing speed with the smart RFID chip. The way it works is simple, but it guarantees maximum security. The microchip transmits data to special antennae at a very high frequency, interfaced with monitoring software located on the table that portrays the movements of the chips, guaranteeing accurate monitoring of the game. It is part of an overall network controlled by the main office. Every individual device interacts in real time with the network, providing complete integrated monitoring. To better understand the advantages of the system, let us observe it in action at a blackjack table equipped with RFID. Tracking antennae capable of recognizing and reading microchips embedded in the chips are placed underneath the layout on a traditional table. The table has 3 sensitive areas equipped with antennae linked to software. The 3 areas have specific tasks. Going from the center of the table and extending to its edge, there is a first sensitive area in front of the croupier, the float tray. In the half-moon space between the croupier and the play area is the working area, which is fundamental. Its task is to track the chips arriving on the table, either from the cash register supply or those purchased directly from the table by a bettor. Finally, in front of each bettor, there are 6 interactive circular areas, box, which are also connected, thanks to the special antennae, to software and a monitor separate from the table that makes it possible to easily and immediately read the individual bets. We will now analyze these special antennae to appreciate the sophistication of the technology. The antennae cannot be seen from the outside, since they are located underneath the table's layout. They are equipped with an extremely sophisticated tracking system. Thanks to the antennae, dealers and players can monitor every wager at any time in a totally safe manner. Maximum accuracy is assured. When placed on top of the sensitive area, the chips are identified and monitored by antennae all along the surface of the box, both horizontally and vertically. In this way, the monitoring is also guaranteed in special situations, such as when chips overlap are stacked up to a maximum number of 20. Let us now see how easily what I've been describing actually works.